Hello everyone, I am Dr. K.S. Wagh, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I am going to explain what is this pointer and when to use the this pointer. As we gone through the pointer, we know the pointer, what is the pointer. Now today we are going to see in details what is the this pointer. C++ provides a keyword this which represent the current object, which represent the current object means which holds the address of the current object and passed as an hidden or implicit pointer or argument to all member functions. The this pointer is a constant pointer that holds the memory address of the current object. For example, consider an object obj calling one of the member function, say method, as object.method. When this pointer will holds the address of the obj object means current object inside the member function methods. Inside the member function method, here is the main role of the member function method. This pointer act as an implicit argument to the all member functions of a class. This is most important here to remember an implicit argument to all the member functions. It is important to know that how object look at functions and data members of a class. When we create the object, how your object look? First, each object gets its own copy of the data members. When we created the object, and every object gets its own copy of data members, means everyone have its own data members. And suppose we have created 10 objects, so the 10 object access the same function or single function definition at present in a program or present in a code segment. Meaning is object gets its own copy of data members and all objects means any number of objects created, all objects share single copy of member functions of the class. The now question is that if only one copy of each member function exists and it is used by the multiple objects, all created objects, then how are the proper data members are accessed and updated in a program? The answer of this question is we going to using this pointer. Internally compiler handles this. So compiler supplies an implicit pointer along with the function's name as this. To be remember in terms of function this pointer, friend function cannot be accessed using this pointer. Friend function cannot be accessed this pointer because friend function are not the part of class or it is not the member of a class. Only member function have this pointer. Only member function have a this pointer of a class means any number of functions in a class that functions have the this pointer. And a static member function. Suppose we are declare something static in a class and that static member function does not have this pointer because this pointer is for the all objects, but static member function is a single copy created for the all objects. When to use the this pointer, this is the main thing when to use the this pointer. Following are the situation where this pointer is used. The first situation when local variable name in a main program, local variable names in a main program is same as a member names in a class to return a reference to the calling object. These are the two situations where we use this pointer. Now we are going to see through the example or code. Now here just see, this is simple snapshot of the code. Here we have taken the class test and it has the two fields mark and CGPA and two user defined functions set data and display data. Set data is set the data of the marks and CGPA. Now we move to the main function. int main. Here we have created the test o1. We have created the object 1 or o1 object of the test class. When we say the o1 dot set data, your compiler calls the function and it move to the here. Okay, set data. This may be assigned or this assigned to the marks equal to 70 and CGPA equal to 6.5. Now from here point control moves to the here and o1 dot display data. At that time display data is or this function executed and it display the marks and CGPA on the screen. Now when what exactly happen when o1 dot set data, when the o1 dot set data is executed, it we know it is assigned the marks, but when a member function is called, it automatically passes a pointer to the invoking object. In this case it will pass the pointer to the o1 or invoking object. Within a member function, the member can be accessed because within a class, member function can be accessed directly without any object or class qualification. Here we are not mentioning any class qualification, but implicit members are being accessed. Implicit means internal members. Uh, Here mark and CGPA is accessed using the this pointer, and internally your compiler makes this marks equal to 70 and this CGPA equal to 6.5. Now the first case when local variable name is same as a member name. Local variable name means here in a main function or main program, int a equal to 5 and b equal to 8 is used. This is a local variable here, and the it same as a member name. Member name is a and b. Also here we are passing the a and b. So here to avoid the confusion of compiler, we are using this. So this means this is related to the object of a sample class. So it properly assign the object a value and b value and is not confused with the local variable. Now we go to the code class sample int a comma b, public input int a int b. Okay, here we know these are the same. Now we are going to see what happen when the a and b is same. Okay, then internally it properly assign a plus b, whatever the value of a plus 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 will be assigned to the member function of class, not the local variable. Same will be a minus b and b will be assigned to the member function of class, not the main program variable, local variable. Now here, this pointer is used when local variable name is same as the member name. Another situation is our second situation. We can say this pointer is used to return reference to the calling object. Now here, simple snapshot of code is given. Class test, then two private variables int x and int y. Then here test and test and. This is and is a reference. Okay, this is called the reference or address of the reference. It returns the address or returns the reference of the test set x int a x equal to and return this. This means we are returning the reference of the object. Here we are returns the reference of the calling object in a main program. This is the way you can understand this pointer. Thank you. Happy learning.